Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute bunny magnet. We will need a circle punch and we will need to cut one paper circle. I chose the white paper, so here will be our face, the face of the bunny, and then we will need to cut two ears, and then with this is a template that I made before, and with a pair of scissors we can create our two ears. One and the other one. Okay, the second one here. Voila. And now we will need to refine a little this one. Here. Voila. And just a second, a little here. Okay. Voila. Now we will need to draw the part in pink, and we will create the pink part of the ears in this way. And the same here. Voilà. Now we will need to create the two eyes and the nose. With another circle punch we will cut the two eyes. Voila. And then we will cut the nose. Voila. Here our nose. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, just a second. Okay, now check your glue, and this is vinyl glue, and we will go to glue together all the pieces. Now we will glue the ears to the face. Voila. And put in this way. Voila. And leave it to dry. Now we will need to glue the first eye. Voila. And the second one. And voila. Here. Okay. Now we will need to glue our nose. With a little glue, and we will put the nose here. Voila. Leave it to dry, and then if you want you can add an embellishment, but before, better to glue the magnet on the back. So we will glue our magnet to the back. So here in this way. press down, and then we will embellish our bunny using a paper rose. And if you want to learn how to make this kind of rose, you can find a tutorial on my YouTube channel. I have one tutorial that I made some time ago. Here our little leaf, and then we can create this sort of curve. Voila, here rose and leaf, and then put some glue here, and we will attach the rose on this part. Okay, leave it to dry, and then if you want, we can, with a white pen, if you have a white pen like this one, you can do in this way. You can draw 2 little dots in the eyes. Okay, voila. Here we have okay, and here we have our 2 magnet, fridge magnet. And if you want, you can round the ears using a brush or other rounded tool, and voila, here our super cute magnet, the bunny magnet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. And happy Easter to all of you. Bye bye.